real problem hides where you can't see it. A perfect surface doesn't guarantee a stable core. And the difference? It all comes down to how the wood is drying. Today, I'll show you why air drying alone can't save your live edge slab, and how we turn unstable lumber into furniture-ready material. Air drying is where every live edge journey begins. It's slow, sometimes months long, but it's essential. This stage gently brings the moisture content down from around 50% to about 20%. Think of it as letting the wood breathe, relieving internal stress so it doesn't shock when the heat begins. But here's the catch, that 20% isn't enough. Deep inside, moisture is still trapped. Use it now, and you're basically building a time bomb. As the core keeps drying naturally, the surface can't move with it, and that's when you get warping, cracks, and twisted slabs. This is where kiln drying takes over. Traditional kilns rely on hot air, which often dries the surface too fast, trapping moisture inside. But high-frequency vacuum drying, like what we use at Showa, works from the inside out. The electromagnetic field heats the water molecules evenly throughout the wood. That means faster cycles, zero cracks, and preserved color. These black walnut slabs were air-dried for 1 month, dropping from fresh cut to about 45 to 60%. Then, we placed them in our Showa HF vacuum kiln. In just 10 days, they reached 6 to 8% moisture, perfectly flat, with rich color and no checking. That's the sweet spot for stable, furniture-grade wood. So, does live edge wood need to be kiln dried? Absolutely, air drying prepares it, but kiln drying stabilizes it. If you want your slabs to last for decades, not months, this two-step process is non-negotiable.